Okay, so we're going to talk about tax, tip, discount, and commission. So tax and tip are things that are added. So they're either added to your total to give you, or added to your subtotal. Discounts is something that you subtract from your subtotal, and commission is just a standalone number. So tax and tip, tax you're going to be charged pretty much everywhere you go. Tip you add for services. Discounts you can get on all kinds of things, and a commission would be something like if I got a certain percent for selling a house or selling a car or something like that. So I'm going to go through and I'm just going to come up with a couple examples. So let's see, if my bill costs $25 at, say, Chili's, okay, and I want to leave 25%, or I'm sorry, I want to leave 15% tip on that bill. I take my 15% and I change it to a decimal because I can't use my 15% in my math problem unless it's a decimal. So I take 0.15 times $25. Okay? So then I would multiply that, and that would give me $3.75. Okay? So then once I have my tax, I add it back to my original. So this equals $3.75. So I don't only pay $3.75. Total pay is $25 plus the $3.75. 5, 6, 7, 8, $28.75. Now we are assuming that this price is tax included. Okay? So now let's use the same problem, $25, and say that I have a 7% tip, or tax, I'm sorry, 7% tax. I do the same thing I did before. Is it 0.7? No, it's 0.07. 0.7 would be 70%. I almost made a big mistake. So 0.07 times $25. Now, this is going to tell you how much you are going to pay in tax. So that's $1.75. But if I want to know what my total bill is with 7% tax, well, 100% of 25 would be 25. Okay, so I want 100% plus the 7% tax. So I could also do 1.07 and multiply it by 25. So let's just see if I'm right or if I'm completely lost my mind. I get $26.75, and up here I have 25 plus $1.75. That equals $26.75. Okay, so there is my tax tip, and now if I have a discount, I'm going to do 20% off my bill of $25. Okay, so I need to figure out 20% of 25. 0.20 times $25. Okay, so I do 0.20 times 25. Now I changed my decimal, or my percent into a decimal. So that gives me $5. So I have a discount of $5. So if I want to know, I can do this a couple ways. So what I can do now is subtract, because I subtract my discount from my $25. So it means my new total is $20. Or I could also take my 100%, subtract my 20%, which gives me 80%. And if I take 0.80 times 25, I'm going to get $20. Lastly, I have commission. Okay, and so my commission would be, say I sell a car that costs $10,000 and I get a 3.75, 3.75% commission. Okay, so I want to know, if I sell that car, I'm not making all that money. The dealership makes the money, but what do I make out of it? Okay, again, if I have a percent, I need to change it to a decimal. And so I take my 10,000 and I multiply it by, this is a decimal, I move my decimal 2 places, 0.0375. Okay, and that's going to give me $375. So if I sell a car for $10,000 and I make 3.75% commission, I'm going to make $375.